Hey, how's it going? This is Professor Wasi of Option Snipers University, and we are super glad that you decided to take this time out to watch this video. Today, we are going to be discussing how to minimize anxiety while trading in the stock market. A lot of us are getting into the market blindly. We don't have a plan before we get into the market. We're simply guessing when we're buying contracts, and this is not a winning formula. The way to get outside of this and get into a place where we actually are emotionless when we're trading is by doing three things, okay? And we're going to be discussing that today. Number one, we need to lessen our position size. A lot of you guys are potentially trading your entire account size, getting into trades that you're simply guessing on. Now, what starts happening is when you start losing on these trades, your confidence as a trader begins to diminish. Now, when your confidence is then taking a hit, you need to be able to understand that, self-examine yourself, and tell yourself maybe you need to either spend some time away from the market or lessen your position size so that you can gain your confidence back. Listen, guys, the key to scaling and the key to becoming a hyper profitable trader is being able to see your contract sizes and see your position sizes continually increasing based on your portfolio percentage. So you want to make sure that you keep that in mind. Lessen your position size so that you can get your confidence back and so that you can get back to who you are, which is a successful and hyper profitable trader. All right, that's tip number one. Tip number two, you need to trade less. Here's the problem. When you're getting into the markets, you're not only trading 10 contracts at a time or 10 different plays at a time, you also monitoring 10 to 20 different stocks. What you need to do, what the true winning formula would be, is to identify just a few equities before you get into the markets, dissect the charts as far as creating a pre-market plan and a pre-market strategy, understanding all the outcomes that can potentially happen based on specific patterns and setups that you see on different time frames, and then attack those. What you don't want to do is get into a situation where you have your attention on 10 different stocks, on 10 different plays, because how often are you going to be able to take profits successfully on a contract or a play where you have potentially 10 or 20 other plays open? That's not the winning formula. So we need to make sure that we're trading less. So what that means is we're also trading less throughout the potential trading day. Let's try to stay within the bounds of maybe 5 trades. This actually allows us to say we're going to be even more patient and wait for the right play to get into so that we can become profitable. Not only are we waiting for the right play, we are also waiting for precision in entry. And that is tip number three. We need to get to a point where we get into trades at a point in which I call a point of no return. Okay? What that means is when you're getting into a setup, you have the understanding of where the support is. You're buying at the support level if you're looking at calls, and obviously you're buying right there where it's resisting at the point of resistance, okay? Which whatever the setup may be. Now, what ends up happening is when you end up buying right into momentum, you end up not even being read for too long. Okay, maybe not even at all. So at that point in time, imagine that throughout the time that you have a specific position open, that let's say 90% of that period you're actually in green. That allows you to be clear-headed about how you're going to be taking profit and going further and moving on to the next play. If you have precision in entry, you have less anxiety because you're not watching your money go down right before your eyes. So instead of chasing things, it's better to be patient, wait for your setup, and get the precise entry. As an option sniper, we're looking to hit that target right there at the crosshairs. All right, guys, if you need to go get a laser, make sure you go do that. If you need to point it at your computer screen so that you can get the precision that you're looking for to get into a trade, you make sure you do that, because guess what? When you have less anxiety within the markets, you're going to be able to make better decisions, and you're going to be able to become an even much more profitable and consistent trader. I hope this content helps you guys out. Make sure you guys check us out. This month we are going to be hosting our 5-figure trading challenge. So go ahead. There's a link below where you can be able to meet with us for 5 days. All right, 5 days live. Okay, live on Zoom. We're going to be meeting 1 hour a day, Monday through Friday, where you can ask us all your burning questions in person and we will address them. Okay, if we want to be a profitable trader, we have to start looking into our education because it's the information that produces the manifestation. All right, guys, FiveFigureTradingChallenge.com. I will see you soon. Peace.